This is Karen Hanna, Friends of the Rouge, Operations Director, bringing you another episode of Take Me to the River, or in this case, Lake. I'm coming to you live this morning from Newburgh Lake, a 105-acre impoundment on the Rouge River that's located in Hines Park in the city of Livonia. This lake is fed by the middle branch of the Rouge River with water that comes from Walled Lake, Northville, and Plymouth. A little history: in 1870, a man named Nicholas Bovey dammed the Rouge River to build a cider mill. Since the lake was located in the village of Newburgh, he called the lake Newburgh Lake. In the late 1920s, when Henry Ford was establishing his village industries, he purchased the site of the old Bovey cider mill and in 1934 built a new dam. By the mid-90s, the lake had suffered from years of sediment accumulation, some of which was contaminated with PCBs, and in 1997, the lake was drained. Over 550,000 tons of sediment was removed from the lake, and the lake was restored. Some things you should know about Newburgh Lake: it is a no-swim lake with boating only for non-motorized boats, kayaks, and canoes. And as you can see, this is a beautiful spot on a beautiful morning. It's surrounded by trees, vegetation, lots of wildlife. I've been watching a great blue heron over there. You might not be able to see it. And just on the other side of the lake is the Lakeview Drive mountain bike and hiking trail. And along spots on that trail, you can get really beautiful, amazing views of the lake. This is a great spot for families. Anybody can come here to fish, bike, picnic, or otherwise just get away and be at one with nature. There's two fishing piers here. This is, I'm at Newburgh Point, and there's another one at Sumac Point on the northeast side of the lake. If you were to drop a line here, you might find carp, northern pike, rock bass, bluegill, smallmouth bass, largemouth bass, and lots more. I spoke to a young man this morning who said that he's caught bass, bluegill, pumpkin seed. His mom brought him here this morning, on this gorgeous morning. No electronics, just pure, pure, pure beauty. There's the Breakfast Club over there. They're here every morning. They enjoy fishing and just kind of talking and getting away and being with each other in this beautiful, beautiful environment. Lots of swans, lots of geese, ducks. It's a great sunrise. I met a couple guys here too, Vernon and Charlie, who just said this is a great way to start a morning. Now, as I walk back up to the parking lot, I am going to show you the rain gardens that were established by Wayne County and maintained by Friends of the Rouge, along with Bosch volunteers. You can see we have a lot of bee balm. I believe, I'm no expert, I believe that's Queen Anne's lace. It's absolutely beautiful here. You can hear the birds chirping. There is purple coneflower. That's beautiful. So rain gardens are essential to the Rouge River. They soak up excess rain, stormwater that comes off of impervious surfaces like parking lots, roofs, and walkways, and they also filter contaminants that could end up in the river and in the lake. Lots more of the rain garden. There's some more bee balm. Oh, here's a little bit of butterfly weed in there. So rain gardens also attract, well, there's one right now, pollinators and butterflies, hummingbirds, bees, and lots. Oh gosh, there's a dragonfly. I don't know if you can see it, but it's huge. Just beautiful. It's beautiful here. I highly recommend recreating here. And it's right in your own backyard. What more could you want? Well, there you have it. Recreating on Newburgh Lake. Thank you for joining me this morning for this Take Me to the River moment. You all have a wonderful day.